Okej, här är vi garaget. Vi har Jolly, vi har Leon, vi har Leo. Vad ska vi testa idag, Leon?
Well, we're gonna test this new Traxxas car.
Okay, we're doing it in English.
Yeah.
Yes, great.
English, and then we're doing the USA version. Boo,
Okay.
British.
Okay, Leon, show me. What are we gonna do?
Well,
Pick it up.
Well, today we're gonna try driving this Traxxas 4 with actual working lights, which is quite awesome.
Working lights? Okay.
Yeah, and we'll be driving it in the snow.
We're driving it in the sun. Jolene,
Here's the box.
what's the brand?
heavy.
What's the brand?
It's like, don't know, like mini really VXL.
What does it say?
Traxxas.
Traxxas. Do you have any Traxxas car?
I think so, yeah.
Where are they?
I think IDK or the
IDK. Yeah, they're in the bag. Leo, do you fancy driving this car? Do you like it? Yeah, he does. So, Leon, where's the battery? Where's the battery?
It's here.
There it is. Is it charged?
Yes.
It's fully charged. Jolene, here's some batteries for a transmitter.
Can I eat them?
Sure, but you can put them in the transmitter.
What the freak is a transmitter?
Yeah, what the freak is that? Open the box. Open the box. Leon, do you know how to remove the body shell?
Yeah. There's some clips like the other RC car that we have.
Flip it around. Flip it around.
We have some clips here, like we have on another RC car.
Other way. And push it and bring it up. Take it off.
Yeah. Bonus snacks.
Bonus? What is that?
Bonus snacks. I don't
Ah.
know, like whatever these things are called. Like,
But Jolene, I think I only brought like 3 AA batteries. How many do you have in your hand?
we only had one though.
No, the batteries. For the transmitter. Can you get in and get one more?
In the house or what?
In the house. Okay, do it and we can drive. Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Don't film more because I want to
You just push these buttons
It's quite
like this.
hard for me when I haven't done it in a while.
No, but I think
what
you're
the
doing
hell?
it the wrong way, like that.
Yep.
Okay,
And here we have it.
show me the car,
Okay, first let's start with the chassis.
the body shell. That's
Inside
the body shell.
shell, we've got the wire for the lights, and then we got some,
Rolling cage.
yeah, maybe. And then we've got all the normal things, but then we've got like this cool Traxxas logo over here on the battery holder.
And where's the steering servo?
Here,
There. And the speed controller.
I think here.
Is it a VX2L or VX3L? What does it say on the sticker? If you lift the power cables, what does it say? VX3L? What does it say there?
Where?
VX. What does it say? VX3L, right?
VX3S.
VX3S. Here's the battery.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
charged. Can you
Thanks, Dad.
put it
I
in?
think Jolene needs some help getting in. Can you open the door?
Yeah, can you open the door, Leo? So we can get Jolene in. Is she coming?
What the hell? What the hell? It doesn't fit.
Doesn't it fit? It should do.
It doesn't.
It doesn't?
I don't.
We have to take